In this video, I'm demonstrating how two Unity applications can talk directly to each other over the network, without a server in the middle to send live video, audio, or data. This is the same underlying technology used by video calls, game streaming, and real-time multiplayer tools. It works both on a local network and over the internet, even on mobile connections, when relay support is enabled. What makes this example different is that everything is done manually, so you can clearly see each step that makes a peer-to-peer connection work. Here, I have the exact same Unity scene running twice. One instance acts as the sender, and the other as the receiver. On the sender side, I press Create, which starts the webcam and generates a connection offer. I copy that offer into the receiver. The receiver accepts it, generates a response, and sends it back. Both sides then exchange network connection details, called ICE candidates, by copy and paste. Once that exchange completes, the connection becomes active and the live video stream appears in the other Unity app. This approach makes WebRTC transparent and easy to reason about, and it's a solid foundation for building real-time Unity applications that work across both local networks and the public internet.